let's test some smoke alarms with some can of smoke. Let's get started. First, let's take the cap off of the can of smoke. Then we'll spray it. We're going to be using the KN-COPE-IC. Here we go. So hard to get out. I'll have to find a way to put the camera down so you guys can see. There we go. You can see me. Let's test it. Here we go. Takes a second. There it goes.
Fire. Hush mode activated.
Why does it keep going?
Fire. Hush mode activated.
Okay. Hopefully now it'll stay hushed. Alright. We just tested a smoke alarm with a can of smoke. And it works. Now, let's try another one. Let's try this kitty. Now let's put the camera down so you guys can see. Here we go, let's test it. All right. There we go. All right, here we go. So this way, if you want to test your smoke alarms for real with actual smoke, go buy this smoke spray on Amazon. It's really useful for doing stuff like this. But yeah, so if you want to fully smoke test your smoke detectors, you'll use some can of smoke. Alright guys, that's going to pretty much do it with this video. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Goodbye.